Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to share with you 5 quick and easy dinner recipes in today's video. If your schedule is as hectic as ours is right now in the middle of May, we are in the thick of all of the school activities, performances, we've got sports activities. It is just a pretty wild time right now. I always see those reels on social media calling it Maycember, and it is a lot like December. The activities and the schedule is crazy right now. So I need some quick and easy dinner ideas, and you probably do too. So these 5 recipes are so good, the whole family will love them, and they're quick and easy. I love sharing my quick and easy recipes with you, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Let's get into these 5 quick and easy weeknight dinner ideas. This is one of my favorite easy weeknight meals. I have 2 chicken breasts in the crock pot. I have this really delicious garlic Parmesan sauce made by Buffalo Wild Wings. I just get it at Walmart. So I used half the bottle. Now I'm going to use a brick of cream cheese, and this is going to make this so creamy and rich. I have half a cup of Parmesan cheese also. This is so good. The sauce is amazing. This recipe is on repeat quite often in our house. My kids love it. So I'm going to cook this on low for about 7 hours, or you can do it on high for about 3 hours. So the chicken is all nice and cooked. So this sauce is amazing. I'm just going to stir it up until all these clumps are kind of worked out and make it nice and smooth. So just keep stirring until you've got a nice creamy sauce. You can break up the chicken. You can take it out and shred it with a chicken shredder or shred any way you want. So I'm just breaking it into some smaller bite-sized pieces. I'm going to add some protein pasta. It's amazing, easy dinner. I have a pound of ground beef, and I'm just doing kind of a 1 skillet dinner for this. I love 1 skillet, 1 sheet pan, anything that's just with one thing that I have to clean after cooking is very helpful. So I'm browning my ground beef. I'm going to drain this grease out of here. And you can drain it any which way you want. You can use paper towel. You can put it in a little, sometimes put it in a little jar. So however you want to kind of get this grease out. You can use ground turkey if you'd like. It's a lot less greasy. I do a lot of ground turkey, but we do ground beef also. So you can do a pound of ground turkey or a pound of grease if you wanted to in this, whichever you prefer. So once this grease is kind of all out of here, I'm going to add the rest of the dinner kind of to this same skillet. So I love, like I said, having one thing that I have to clean. So I'm going to remove the ground beef. I'm going to add in some olive oil, and I have some chopped up zucchini. Zucchini is one of our favorite veggies. I just love it. I'm adding in some Lowry's seasoning salt. You can add in some garlic powder. You can add in some onion powder as well. So season to your taste. I do about a teaspoon of each of the seasonings. Give it a little stir, and then I'm going to just kind of cook this. And zucchini does not take long to cook, so about 5 to 6 minutes. And once it's kind of cooked through, I'm going to add back in the ground beef. So I'm adding in the cooked ground beef. I'm also going to add in some leftover rice. We do rice a lot in our house, and I always make enough for leftovers. And this is a really great way to use up those leftovers. So I have about 1.5 cups of cooked white rice. And I'm just going to break this up and cook this all together. So it's like a skillet, like a scramble, and it just has all of it together. It's got your meat, your veggies, and your rice. I have this katsu Japanese steak sauce, and it has the best flavor. You can use a regular teriyaki sauce if you want, but I used about 1/4 cup of this Japanese steak sauce and give it a stir. It's so good. It gives it the best flavor. So I'm just going to make sure I break up all these little rice chunks. So here it is. You've got all your dinner in one. Going to top with some sesame seeds, and this is the best easy dinner. I'm going to do a super easy casserole. I have frozen meatballs, which we do a lot of frozen meatballs. My kids love meatballs, and they're really super easy. I have this protein pasta. I love this brand, Brammy. I also love the Barilla protein pasta. I pretty much only get protein pastas now. Adding in my jar of spaghetti sauce. You can use your favorite jar of spaghetti sauce. I am going to add in a cup of water into this jar, give it a little bit of a shake to get out the rest of this sauce. And then I'm going to pour this water onto the noodles and onto the sauce. So this is so easy. You just put everything in here and then you bake it and it comes out so good. And once again, I'm only using one dish that I have to clean. So that is always a plus. I'm going to top with some mozzarella cheese. So I'm going to do about a cup of the mozzarella cheese. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. So I'm going to have this cheese on. I'm going to put some foil on top. And I'm going to bake this in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. And then once this is done, I will show you what it looks like. It comes out so great. So here it is. The noodles are cooked. Everything is just amazing and it's really so easy. My kids love anything with spaghetti sauce, anything with noodles. So we definitely do a lot of noodles, a lot of meatballs in our house right now. Serve with a side salad and you have a really awesome dinner. I'm going to use my crock pot to make some chicken. I have 2 chicken breasts kind of cut into some strips. I have this teriyaki sauce by Sweet Baby Ray's. I'm going to use half the bottle of this. You can use any kind of teriyaki glaze that you like. We love all of the Sweet Baby Ray's sauces. I have a can of pineapple. I drained out the juice, and then I'm just going to kind of sprinkle that can on top. Super easy. I'm going to cook this on low for 7 hours or on high for 3 hours. I'm going to saute up some zucchini to go on this side. We just absolutely love zucchini, especially it's getting fresher the closer we're now getting to summertime. But this teriyaki chicken, oh my gosh, it's so good with the combination of the teriyaki and the pineapple. It's just a great combo and it's really so easy. So serve this with your veggies, serve it with a side of rice also. And this is a really great dinner. Definitely family approved and I love it because it's easy and it gets a really good meal on the table really quickly. So I have some chicken. I'm going to use my crock pot once again. I'm going to be making some barbecue chicken sandwiches. So I have our favorite Baby Ray's, again, Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and I'm just gonna coat the tops of this chicken. I'm also gonna add in some creamy Italian dressing. So I'm going to use about 1/4 cup, so another just layer on top of the barbecue sauce. I'm also gonna add in some Worcestershire sauce as well. So super easy, dump and go. At the end of the day, I will shred this chicken up and it will be so perfect for some sandwiches. So I am going to add in some garlic. I used 2 tablespoons of the Worcestershire sauce. You can use 1 to 2 tablespoons. I'm going to cook this on low for about 7 hours, or you can do it on high for 3 hours. And then at the end of the day, you'll have some really awesome chicken that will be ready to be shredded up. So here it is, and I'm just going to shred this chicken. You can take it out and use your chicken shredder. You can shred it with a fork like I like to do sometimes. Keep it easy. Just shred it right there in this yummy sauce. We're going to have a little side of corn. We love corn on the cob. And then I'm going to toast these little, I'm just using hamburger buns. That's what we had on hand. And this is such a great, easy dinner. And also, like I keep mentioning, family approved, because we've got to make sure that the little people are fed in our house also. So I'm just adding on my shredded chicken onto the toasted bun. I like to add a little bit more barbecue sauce as well. You can add some shredded cheese if you want, or a slice of cheese also. But a really awesome, easy dinner that everybody loves. I hope you enjoyed these 5 quick and easy weeknight dinners that everybody enjoys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Put a like on this video if you liked it. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.